A simple kitchen towel can transform into a surprisingly powerful tool for scientific culinary exploration. Imagine unlocking secrets hidden within your everyday cooking appliances and ingredients. This field, known as food science, merges chemistry and culinary arts for delicious results. It explores the fascinating transformations happening during the cooking process. Understanding these principles allows you to elevate your dishes from good to extraordinary. You're not just cooking food, you're orchestrating complex chemical reactions. From browning meats to perfectly fluffy cakes, science is always at play. This knowledge empowers you to troubleshoot kitchen mishaps with confidence. It also explains why certain recipes succeed while others frustratingly fail. Let's dive into the science behind one specific kitchen item: the humble towel. You might think a towel is just for drying hands or wiping spills, but it's much more. In cooking, towels play a crucial role in controlling moisture and temperature. Think about proofing bread dough. A damp towel creates the humid environment bread needs.
This humidity prevents the dough's surface from drying out and forming a crust too early.
It allows the yeast to work its magic, producing that lovely airy texture. But that's not the strangest part. Towels are also used to slow down cooling processes for delicate items. When you bake custards or cheesecakes, they often have a water bath for gentle cooking. After baking, you need to cool them gradually to prevent cracking and ensure a smooth texture. Wrapping the dish in a towel helps insulate it, providing this slow, controlled cooling. It's like giving your baked goods a warm, cozy blanket after their hot ordeal. This gradual temperature change is vital for maintaining their delicate structure.
Without this careful cooling, you risk a dessert that crumbles or cracks unattractively.
Hear what you risk comes next. Even simple tasks like chilling wine or keeping food warm involve towel science. A wet towel wrapped around a bottle chills it much faster than dry air alone. The evaporation of water from the towel draws heat away from the bottle's surface. This process, called evaporative cooling, is incredibly efficient for rapid chilling. Conversely, wrapping warm food in towels can help retain heat for serving. This insulation prevents rapid heat loss, keeping your dishes at an enjoyable temperature. It's a simple application of thermodynamics, using the towel as an insulating barrier. And then something unexpected happened. Consider the science of making crispy fried foods, where towels are essential. After frying, food is often placed on a rack lined with paper towels. This allows excess oil to drip away, preventing sogginess and creating that satisfying crunch. The paper towel absorbs the hot oil, which is a crucial step in achieving crispiness. Too much oil clinging to the surface will make your fried food greasy and unappealing. This absorption process is a direct application of capillary action and surface tension. Think of it like tiny sponges soaking up the liquid oil from the food's surface. The porous nature of the towel is key to its effectiveness in this role. But that's not the strangest part. Even cleaning up spills involves fascinating chemical principles. Different towel materials have varying absorbency rates due to their fiber structure. Cotton towels, for instance, absorb water well due to the hydroxyl groups in cellulose fibers. These groups attract water molecules, pulling them into the towel's structure. Synthetic towels might offer different strengths, like durability or stain resistance. Understanding these material properties helps you choose the right tool for the job. It's a subtle interplay of physical properties and chemical interactions. Wait until you hear what comes next. So, the next time you reach for a kitchen towel, remember its scientific potential.
It's not just a piece of cloth, it's an active participant in your cooking endeavors. From controlling humidity for bread to ensuring crispiness in fried foods, it's versatile. The science of absorption, insulation, and controlled cooling are all at your fingertips.
These simple tools demonstrate fundamental principles of heat transfer and moisture management. You're essentially using physics and chemistry to achieve perfect culinary outcomes. It makes you appreciate the hidden science in every kitchen task. And then something unexpected happened. The humble towel, often overlooked, plays a vital role in achieving delicious results. Its effectiveness stems from its material properties and interaction with heat and moisture. Mastering these subtle scientific applications can significantly improve your cooking.
Consider the impact of this simple tool on everything from bread to fried chicken.
It truly highlights how everyday objects embody scientific principles. Stories like this.
If you found these culinary science insights fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.
It truly highlights how everyday objects embody scientific principles. Stories like this. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.